Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your related operations. So, in today's video, I will guide you through the process of creating items in Zoho Zakya. For that, on my left hand side, you can see the inventory module. Under that, there is item. Click on new item to create a new item. Here I am providing shirts. Provide the SKU of the particular item along with the unit. Category. All the created category will be listing here. To add a new category, you can click on manage categories and create new category from the list. Here I am choosing the category. Enable this returnable item if we can return the particular item. Then next we have dimensions and weight, which are for shipping details. Next you can choose the brand, and also you can manage or create new brand by clicking on brand. Then I'm choosing a new brand. This is selected. If the particular item has barcode, provide the EN of that number, then provide with the selling and purchase informations. I am providing the selling rate as 1500 and purchase cost as 1150. Then this both accounts shows under which this details has to be mapped in accounts, like under which ledger you have to map the sales, and under which ledger you have to map purchase details. Then by enabling track inventory for this item, you have to choose the stock or the ledger where you have to store the stock. Along with that, provide the details of opening stock, rate per single stock. Then you can have the option to set the reorder point also. Then we have advanced tracking for inventory, like you can track by serial number or you can track batches according to your industrial standards. So once you have provided the details, click on save button to create the particular item. Once it is created, you can see all the data or information related to the particular item will be listed under overview. And if we have done any transactions related to the particular item, this will be listed under the transactions, and you can filter, like you can take the transactions by filtering, there are invoices, bills, vendor credits, credit notes, etc. Then you can see the history also. For particular companies, there will be multiple users managing the account, so for the admin, it will be visibly seen by the history, by or who created the particular item and by what time and all. Then under more, we have the option to clone item, which is like creating a duplicate of the same product. Then we have the option to mark it as inactive, or if you want to delete also, it is available under more button. If you want to edit the particular item, click on the pen by icon and you can edit the data over here. So hope you understood how to create items under Zakya. Thank you and have a great day. See you in the next video.